Get ready, because what's in this video is already here, and most people have no idea any of it exists yet. Some of these will change how health gets tracked, some will change how spaces get used, and the one saved for last is a piece of wearable outdoor technology so advanced it replaces an entire toolkit while looking like a pair of sunglasses. If this is the kind of content worth watching before everyone else finds it, subscribe right now. Let's get into it. HPMCVE AI Hologram Robot. This one needs to be seen before it can be described properly, because describing it first sounds like science fiction. A compact desktop device projects a full-color animated hologram above its surface, visible from any angle, without glasses, without a special screen, without any additional equipment. The hologram floats, it moves, it reacts, and it runs on AI, responding to voice commands, displaying information, and interacting with whoever is standing in front of it. Put this on a desk, a counter, or a table, and every single person who walks past stops to ask what it is, not what it does, what it is. Because nothing in their visual memory prepared them for a floating image sitting in ordinary room light behaving like it belongs there. This is the gadget that opens the video because nothing else on this list creates that reaction faster. Withings OMNIA. Step onto the base, stand in front of the mirror, and in seconds, a complete picture of what is happening inside the body appears on the surface in front of it. Body composition, cardiovascular health, sleep performance, activity trends, ECG vascular age, VO2 max, sleep apnea indicators, nutritional markers including ketones and vitamin levels, all displayed as a dynamic 3D model updating in real time as the scan completes. An AI-powered vocal companion delivers personalized wellness feedback based on what the data actually shows, not generic advice but guidance built around the specific numbers standing in front of it right now. Telemedicine integration allows remote consultations with board-certified cardiologists directly through the mirror. No appointment, no commute, no waiting room. The health check that used to require a clinic now happens in the bedroom before breakfast. Aidora AI 3D frame. Everything that makes the HPMCVE hologram robot impressive, the floating image, the three-dimensional depth, the reaction people have when they see it for the first time, the Aidora AI 3D frame delivers in a completely different way. Where the robot is interactive and animated, the 3D frame is personal. It takes photos and videos and converts them into floating holographic memories visible without glasses from any viewing angle. A wedding, a child's first steps, a landscape from a trip that deserves more than a flat screen to live on. AI conversion happens automatically, no technical knowledge required, no special photography equipment, just the photos that already exist on a phone, transformed into something that feels impossible the first time it's seen. GravaStar Mercury M2. Most gaming mice look like gaming mice, black, angular, RGB as an afterthought. The Mercury M2 looks like something taken off a spacecraft. The die-cast zinc alloy shell carries a matte finish with exposed mechanical details that make it look like concept hardware from a design studio rather than a product from a retail shelf. But the engineering underneath matches the aesthetic. Optical sensor tracking at 26,000 dpi. Wireless connection at 2.4 GHz with zero perceptible latency, up to 70 hours of battery life. Tactile scroll wheel with satisfying mechanical resistance. Weight tuning system for personalized feel. Every person who sits at a desk with this on it gets asked about it before the conversation moves to anything else. It earns that reaction before a single click. Garmin CIRQA. Built for the people who actually go outside. 6 satellite systems, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou, QZSS, and Navic, tracked simultaneously for positioning accuracy in conditions where standard GPS loses signal entirely. A built-in compass, altimeter, and barometer give real-time environmental awareness without pulling out a phone. 170-plus sport modes, covering everything from trail running and open water swimming to tactical operations and mountaineering. Health monitoring covering heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, stress, and body battery energy levels continuously throughout the day and night. A military-grade AMOLED display that stays readable in direct sunlight, a built-in LED flashlight illuminating up to 20 meters, up to 10 days of battery life in smartwatch mode. The smartwatch built for the men who use every feature on it. DreamPilot Sleep Mask. This is not a blackout mask with some ambient sounds built in. What the DreamPilot does is significantly more interesting than that. EEG sensors built into the fabric read brainwave activity continuously throughout the night, identifying light sleep, deep sleep, and REM cycles in real time as they happen. An AI system processes that data and responds during sleep itself, using gentle sensory inputs including sound, vibration, and subtle environmental adjustments to stabilize rest and reduce disturbances before they pull the sleeper into a lighter stage. This is not passive tracking, it is active intervention, a closed-loop system that monitors sleep and acts on what it finds without waking the person it is acting on. The sleep upgrade that works while the person using it is completely unconscious. Luka AI Cube. A small cube sits on a desk, looks minimal, almost architectural, then it responds to a voice, and the entire dynamic of the space changes. The Luka AI Cube is a physical AI companion with a personality that evolves through interaction over time. It holds conversations, it answers questions, it remembers previous exchanges and builds on them. It reacts to the emotional tone of what it hears rather than just the literal words. This is not a smart speaker with a wake word and a 5-second response delay. The Luka responds the way a person in the room responds. Present, engaged, and different. Every conversation because the interaction history behind it is different every day. The desk companion that makes every other desk feel like it is missing something once it has been experienced. Halfway through, a health mirror that scans the body in seconds, a sleep mask that actively optimizes rest while it is being worn, a hologram robot that makes everyone in the room stop talking, still coming, a 3D printer that finally works the first time, a portable laser engraver the size of a computer mouse, AI outdoor glasses that replace an entire toolkit, and the gadget saved for last that lets anyone move through water without kicking. Subscribe, turn on notifications, drop in the comments which gadget so far genuinely surprised you. 8 more, let's go. Creality Pika. The reason most people who buy 3D printers stop using them within 3 months is always the same. The first print fails, the second one fails differently, and somewhere between the troubleshooting and the failed prints, the excitement disappears entirely. The Creality Pika was built around one specific promise: it works the first time. Compact enough to sit on a corner of a desk without dominating it. Enclosed design maintaining consistent internal temperature, the invisible variable behind most print failures. Auto-leveling eliminating the calibration process that defeats most beginners before their first successful object. For anyone who has wanted to manufacture custom objects at home without becoming a 3D printing expert to do it, this is the printer that finally makes that possible without the suffering that usually comes with it. Aironox GO. A shirt comes out of a suitcase. It is wrinkled. There is no iron in the hotel room. The ironing board in the hallway has a 20-minute wait. The Aironox GO is the device that removes that entire scenario permanently. Worn like a vest over clothing, it uses heat and gentle pressure distributed across the fabric surface to smooth wrinkles from the inside out while the garment is being worn. No board, no iron, no flat surface required. A shirt goes from suitcase wrinkled to presentation ready in minutes without removing it. For frequent travelers, professionals on the road, and anyone who has ever checked into a hotel and immediately started worrying about what their clothes look like, this solves that problem permanently. LaserPecker. A laser engraver has always meant one thing: a large machine, a dedicated workspace, significant setup time, and a steep learning curve before the first successful result. The LaserPecker fits in a jacket pocket, weighs less than a water bottle, connects to a phone and engraves wood, leather, metal, plastic, and fabric from a phone app within minutes of unboxing. Custom engraving on a wallet, a personalized pattern on a piece of wood, a company logo on a product, text on a metal surface, all of it done from the same device that fits in a bag alongside everything else being carried that day. The laser engraver that finally fits in a toolkit rather than requiring a room built around it. Coucur AI smart glasses. From the outside, a pair of glasses. Standard frame. Unremarkable design. Nothing visible that suggests anything is happening inside them. Then a voice command activates the AI assistant. A real-time translation flows through the open-ear speakers. A message gets dictated without touching a phone. A question gets answered while both hands stay completely free. The entire interface is voice-driven. No display, no gestures, no tapping a temple to activate anything. Just glasses that listen, respond, and handle tasks continuously throughout the day without interrupting whatever else is happening. For anyone who has ever wanted the benefits of a voice assistant without the phone that usually delivers it, this is what that looks and feels like in practice. AngelEye FPV Camera. Most action cameras show what is happening around the person wearing them. The AngelEye FPV camera shows what is happening from exactly where the eyes are, a true first-person perspective that no chest mount, helmet mount, or handheld camera can replicate. Mounted at eye level, it captures footage from the exact viewpoint of the person recording, the natural head movement, the peripheral awareness, the precise angle of where attention was actually directed during the moment being filmed. For cyclists, motorcyclists, hikers, and anyone recording outdoor activities where the experience itself is the content, this is the camera that finally captures it as it was actually lived, rather than as it was observed from a distance. Razer Project AVA. Razer has spent over 2 decades building hardware for competitive gamers. Project AVA is what happens when that engineering history gets combined with AI that actually understands how individual players perform. An AI system monitors gameplay in real time, tracking decision patterns, reaction times, positioning habits, and performance under pressure across sessions. From that data, it generates personalized coaching suggestions, identifies specific habits holding performance back, and tracks improvement over time with the kind of precision previously available only through professional coaching programs. For competitive players, aspiring professionals, and anyone who takes gaming performance seriously, this is the first piece of hardware that trains the player rather than just the game. Novium Hoverpen Interstellar. Everything on this list does something functional, intelligent, or visually impossible. The Novium Hoverpen does something different. It makes the act of thinking feel like it belongs in a different era entirely. Precision-machined aerospace-grade materials, a top-weighted balance designed to spin effortlessly between fingers, refillable pressurized ink cartridge writing at any angle including upside down, the satisfying mechanical weight of an object that was built to last rather than to be replaced. For men who value objects that are made properly, this is the pen that makes every other pen in a desk drawer feel like it was designed as an afterthought. Utekware UTRA, the world's first AI-powered outdoor smart glasses designed for real-world performance, and the gadget worth waiting until the end for. A full HD micro OLED display, creating an 80-inch virtual screen at 3 meters, up to 1,000 nits of brightness remaining visible in direct sunlight, a magnetic shading lens for instant glare protection without removing the glasses. The modular design attaches specialized tools directly to the frame, thermal imagers for detecting heat signatures at night, sonar fish finders for identifying species below the surface, precision endoscopes for inspecting pipes and tight spaces in home repair, all of them hot swappable in the field without tools or setup, a 48-megapixel stabilized camera with real-time AR overlays, hot swappable 3,500 mAh batteries for uninterrupted operation, voice interaction and hands-free control throughout. This is not smart eyewear that happens to be outdoors compatible. This is a portable toolkit built for hunters, anglers, outdoor professionals, and serious adventurers that happens to sit on the face and weigh 400 grams. The most capable piece of outdoor wearable technology available right now on Amazon today. 15 gadgets. Every single one available right now, not concept hardware, not prototypes. Which one was the most surprising? Drop its name in the comments. Every single one gets read. If this video showed something that didn't exist in the world before pressing play, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so the next list never gets missed. Every link is in the description, all 15, ready when needed. And if this delivered, 20 genius Amazon car finds you didn't know existed is right there on screen. Don't skip it.